Hello, today is Thursday, August 5th. I'm Tracy Anderson, and let's look at some markets. Go first to beef. Well, welcome to August and an early move up in the beef markets. I really thought we could get a few more weeks of moderating prices, but the processors have done a masterful job of keeping supply tight and supporting increasing prices. Middle meats led by ribeyes are moving up strongly, and I think we could see this moving up continuing right through Labor Day. Tenderloins and strips are following the ribeye, but tenderloins never came off that much to begin with, so how much more upside is there? I hate to think the answer to that. Okay, briskets, rounds, chucks, everything is on the up again. Harvest last week was 649,000 head, down from the prior week of 652. Now is the time to buy to cover your needs for the next few weeks. Prices won't be lower. Pork is still very tight. Last week's record belly price is now a former record, as yesterday's closed was $237, up from last week's $224. This has to break. I'm just not sure what will push the market lower or when. Traditionally, fall sees lower belly prices, but traditionally we also have freezers full of bellies. That's not the case now. Loins continue to be a value, ribs and butts will be coming down. All the money is in bacon. Hams are moving up, and that's almost completely due to manufacturers preparing hams for the holidays. One wild card I'm keeping an eye on is an outbreak of African swine flu in the Dominican Republic. This is the first appearance of that disease that decimated China's pork industry a couple of years ago in North America. A good question being asked is how it got there. Something to keep watching. Okay, let's look at grains now. Corn is at $6.65 a bushel, up from last week's $6.54. I don't think we'll see much movement here unless something big changes in the harvest levels. Soy's holding in the same pattern with some minor ups and downs, but no real change in the market situation. Wheat is the next crop to start a run-up, and the word of a smaller Russian crop due to drought there. Pricing on flour is already moving higher. Looking at chicken, and chicken is trading sideways, not much up, not much down, though I do think we have more downside to come with the breast. Wings are holding on to those gains over the spring and summer, and it could be the new normal. There is enough fresh product to meet current demand, but we are not doing any better with the processors getting ahead. It's going to be a tough time to be in the chicken business. One other poultry note, looking at turkeys, whole turkeys will be tighter this year than last year's holidays, and they will be more money. Turkey breast meat is also moving higher. Again, not an abundance of product around. And finally, looking at dairy markets. Through Thursday's CME close, the barrel is down 9, block is up 1, and butter is up 1. Traditionally, August is a higher cost month than July, but we may buck that trend this year. We are at a really low market pricing right now, but if we see an increase, I don't think it'll be much. Okay, I'm done. Thanks for listening. Let's do it again next week.